This is why you need the perfect wood for your next project. Whether it's building a birdhouse or a bookshelf, choosing the right wood is key. Let's break it down. First, know your woods. Hardwoods like oak and maple are strong and durable, great for furniture. Softwoods like pine and cedar are lighter and easier to work with, perfect for beginners. Next, consider the project. Outdoor projects? Go for treated wood to withstand the elements. Indoor? Unfinished wood gives you flexibility to stain or paint as you like. And here's a pro tip. Always check for knots and cracks. They might give character, but they can also weaken your structure. Lastly, measure twice, cut once. It's not just a saying, it's a lifesaver. Ready for your next project? Click the link in the description for step-by-step woodworking plans to help you succeed. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and share your results with us. Happy building!